Once you are logged in successfully, we are going to be navigating to creating an infographic. Naturally, you're going to want to go over here to this big plus sign that allows you to do a ton of different things, choose some different, newsletters, websites, whatever it may be. But for the point of this project, an infographic, you are going to stay on this first section that says create a new project. Maybe in a slightly different order, but typically you have to slide over a little bit to select infographic. When I hover over it, there's a plus sign that's going to allow me to choose from templates, or if I want to start from scratch, I can do that from this point as well. So I'm simply going to click the plus sign, and it's going to take me in, and you're going to see it is automatically going to bring me to the templates section, where here it says keys infographic. What I'm going to do is actually remove the word keys, just infographic, and what you're going to see is all of the different templates that are going to pop up. So for the purpose of your project, you are going to, you're going to look for something that you feel is going to be easy to put your information into, not necessarily focused on the colors and the way it is outlined and laid out, because you are going to eventually change that anyway. So there is a lot you can go through, so take your time, go through, pick one that works well, and once you have one and hover over it, there is a little eyeball icon. When I select that, it is going to take me into allow to start editing that one. As you notice, infographics are kind of an odd shape. They're very long. So naturally, it is zoomed out. One thing I would recommend doing right away is the little plus sign at the bottom allows you to zoom in and out to obviously make it easier to edit. Once you have your template down, we're going to spend another video showing you specifically how to edit, but just to navigate around Adobe Creative Cloud Express, on the left-hand side, we have the option to discover. Again, here's some different templates. Here's some text, photos, design assets. If you notice, all of those things are listed on the left-hand side right here. So if you start working and you're not super happy with the template, you want to change it up, you obviously can create those items yourself or go back into templates and search for infographic and select a different one. We have the option to change text and add some of those things. Again, in the next video, we'll talk about editing them specifically, but there are a lot of neat different texts. Photos, uploading a photo, and most importantly, there is a wealth of pictures through Adobe Stock, and we talked about being copyright free and your ability to use them. So you can just search what you're looking for, and they will all be right there. Icons. There are tons of icons that will relate to your infographic, as well as some of the different design assets and backgrounds. I'm going to use the example of the template that I had chosen was this one. I had selected this, ignoring the colors and the icons, because for me it is nice 4 different sections as well as a heading that I know would translate into the infographic that I was creating. So this was my initial template. This is what I had turned it into. So my topic was plastics in our oceans, and you can see I changed the colors, the icons, all of these things that I just talked about navigating around on the left-hand side in order to exemplify the information that I'm trying to get across. So that is down the left-hand side. The right-hand side, that gives you your different colors, animations, backgrounds, and all those types of things. And you will notice in the next video, when we talk about editing, anytime you click on something, those options will change.